So I just want to do a quick video to show you that everyone can get it hacked, even me. So it's the story of when I got hacked. When you Google, you can have an ad on the internet. In my case, I was Googling Rufus, which is a utility to do USB flash drives. But like if you just research something, okay, yeah, well. Okay. See, it's sponsored here, which means it's Google Ads who's deserving that services. So companies or people who pay Google to get first result with the term that you search will go above what you're searching for. Here, if you can see, I blocked all of this in my Pi-hole. I can show you how to do that if you want, but that's because I got hacked that way. So now I'm blocking all of them. So when I was Googling Rufus, or whatever that means, it redirected to a fake website, which is exactly the same thing, except that link was not from GitHub. So if you can check, it downloads directly. But if you can check on the bottom right left, it says it goes to GitHub, pBator, and stuff like that. So that's one of the reasons I got hacked. I went too fast, honestly. It can happen to everyone. But most important thing I did is once I realized that I click on something else, I honestly changed all my password. In this case, I run an untrusted executable on my system. So everything on my system can be compromised since I'm running it, and well, it's my normal desktop, so I'm running as admin in enterprise. I wouldn't advise to do that. But what it means is like it's able to fetch all my files. It was a credential grabber, so any password that you have saved in, I'm using Google Chrome at the moment, but it was compromised, so you can just change all of them. And since it compromised my Google account, I needed to check for other services that Google can make. In my instances, they were able to honestly use my account to create a Google ad to spread further the malware, so I had to reset that. But I did a full reset of my PC. I changed my password of my Google account and anything like it's not a pleasant experience, but I would just want to raise awareness with that. Be careful where you click on the internet, because honestly, I'm quite tech savvy and it still happens to me, so it can happen to everyone. So if you have any question, you can hit me down in the Skool community below. Let me know how I can be useful, and until next time.